Good afternoon, it's James the Weatherman back here with another video. I hope everybody's doing good. I would have made a video earlier this week, but I've went through a lot this last week, so I'm making a video. There's still a lot of warnings and watches and advisories. Um, so, we're going to get straight into it. I hope everybody's doing good. As you can see, a good over half of the lower 48 is in a warning or an advisory. Um, and there's a good chunk of watch. So let's get started. Over 150 million Americans are currently under a winter storm warning, ice storm warning, winter storm watch, or winter weather advisory as an impactful winter weather takes shape for the coast from coast to coast. You got all the way down to all Texas, basically all New Mexico, going all the way up into the Ohio, um, the upper Great Lakes, or the lower Great Lakes, going all the way up into the Northeast. You got Middle Atlantic that has no warnings, but there's a few, it looks like, flood watches over here, but Southeast has several warnings and advisories, but we're looking at lower Mississippi Valley, mid Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, Northern Plains, Central Plains, Southern Plains, basically Upper Mississippi Valley, Upper Midwest, Middle Mississippi Valley, Lower Mississippi Valley. This is all in warnings. So we got the Dakotas, Minnesota, that's still in a wind chill warning. Um, There's some locations up where I am. We got up to negative 50-degree wind chill. It's chilly up here. You go all the way down, winter storm warnings. All in this pinkish color. Southern Plains, lower Mississippi Valley. You got Tennessee Valley, Ohio Valley, and then some parts of the lower Great Lakes. So, major winter storm to spread heavy snow and significant ice accumulations from the plains to the northeast. Frigid Arctic air and dangerous cold wind chills to persist in the heartland into the next week. As I've already discussed this, there are no shortage of winter weather hazards across the lower 48 over the next couple days. An Arctic high pressure system supplying sub-freezing temperatures and working in tandem with an active storm track to generate a large swath of accumulating snowfall and treacherous ice accumulations. There was a big ice storm in Texas, unfortunately. Um, there was a few fatalities, and as I heard, it was 100 plus cars. So unfortunately, that is it's rough. Um, the footprint from the winter storm is so large that parts of the South Texas are under winter storm watches for the first time in a decade. Periods of snow, falling heavily at times, will be common from New Mexico to the Mississippi Valley today, with the heaviest accumulations likely to occur in central Oklahoma and Sacramento Mountains of New Mexico. In addition to the snow, significant ice accumulations are forecast from Texas coast to the Tennessee Valley from Sunday afternoon into Monday. The worst ice-related impacts occur on Monday as a low-pressure system gathers strength in the Gulf of Mexico. We're looking at Monday. The swath of accumulation ice on Monday is impressive, stretching from South Texas to northern mid-Atlantic. Heavy snow on Monday will also blanket much of the lower Mississippi and the Ohio Valley into the northeast. The forecast is through early Tuesday morning calls for 8 to 12 inches in central Oklahoma, with locally higher amounts possible. In areas of 4 to 8 inches of snow looks to extend from East Texas and the Ohio Valley to the northeast. Substantial ice accumulations of up to half an inch are possible from the lower Mississippi Valley to Tennessee Valley, leading to dangerous travel conditions, numerous power outages, and extensive tree damage. Um, please, 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 if you're in these areas with ice, if you don't need to go out, just don't go out. That's simple as that. Ice is very, very tough. Definitely when you get into that black ice and on interstates and highways, it's. I'm gonna be honest with you. Ice, that's one thing I do not like. I don't like the cold either. I went outside today and uh, I'd rather be getting this snow than the cold. Wintry weather is also on tap in the northwest and the Intermountain West as another Pacific storm system ushers in the more Pacific moisture to these regions. Lighter accumulations are anticipated in the lower elevation, but the mountains terrain will receive the heaviest totals. I don't really have the total amount for that, um, but uh, just be aware if you're out in the mountains, you're going to get quite a bit of snow. Um, Arctic high pressure system looks to maintain a strong grip over the nation's heartland, causing many areas in East Rockies west of the Appalachians to witness dangerous and record-breaking cold into the first half of the upcoming week. North central U.S. should once again see sub-zero high temps on Sunday, with single-digit highs stretching as far south as Texas Panhandle. Continent of the United States, north central continent of the United States, 30 to 60 wind chill, and wind chill advisories extend as far south as the southern plains and as far east as the Ohio Valley. Hundreds of daily low, maximum and minimum temperatures will be broken, with some February and even all-time low temperature records in jeopardy. Daily temperatures anomalies. The southern plains, both Sunday and Monday, are likely to range from 25 to 40 degrees below normal. So, I'm going to pull up. I hope everybody's doing good. Um, if you if you're in these systems or this area, leave a comment below. Um, go to the Discord, post a picture. Just please, please be aware that this is dangerous. Ice is really extremely dangerous. Not just for driving, but power outages, tree damage. So now I'm showing you the short range forecast for Monday, or well, tonight, all the way through about Monday night. As you can see, the light blue is a chance for snow. Dark blue is likely snow. That's into Oklahoma, into Arkansas, going up into Missouri. Ice is that orange. Even the light orange is a chance. I'd still be aware that's ice is not something to mess around with. So we'll just go a couple hours, 6 hours in. You can still see heavy snow into the Arkansas area, going all the way up into Missouri and western Tennessee, southern Illinois, central Illinois as well, Indiana, and starting to head all over to Pennsylvania or Ohio, and then into Pennsylvania. The dark is covering mostly Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, going into Pennsylvania. As you can see, line of stretch of ice, and then you got rain for the areas of mainly everything on the east. We do have I think, a chance for a little bit of severe weather. We can look at that in a second, but I will take a glance at that as well. But I'm just saying the severe weather, or not this winter, this winter is severe weather. basically. We're not worried about tornadoes right now. We're worried about ice, heavy snowfall. So let's let's go look at the Storm Prediction Center and look at today. Today we have a chance of well, there's a 5% risk for Gainesville, Florida, Spring Hill, Florida, Deltona, Florida, Daytona Beach, Florida, and Port Orange, Florida. Um, so we have a slight risk for that. Looks like a mesoscale discussion, but watch is unlikely. So just stay aware of what's going on, and I hope everybody enjoys their day. Happy Valentine's Day, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you. I am James the Weatherman. Stay weather aware.